Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we will be breaking down every praise bass line in the song of Yahweh, 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 Kumama, Yahweh. This is a recent recording and it was Osepoko on bass. Okay, you know Osepoko always come true. So I'll be breaking down his bass groove today. So let's play the whole song. Let's play the whole song. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get into it. The first thing he played was Yahweh, 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 Kumama, Yahweh. And Osepoko did this. La la di re, mi fa mi re do do. Yahweh, 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 Kumama, Yahweh. So that's so do. So this bass line is so do mi so do re re so fa so do mi so do re re so fa so. So let's do that part again. Same thing, okay? So fa so re so fa so la do so fa so re so fa so la do. That's all he playing. Apart from that first part. So do mi so do re so fa so la do so fa so re so fa so do mi. Later on he will change it around a little bit. So let's play for that. Let's go for that part. You see, now he changed that again. So before he was doing this, so fa so. Now he's doing so. So for that part, we're gonna play something like that, right? So let's go. It goes like this: so fa la so re so fa la so do mi so. You see? So you just play like that, okay? But the easiest way to do that part is so fa so fa so. Just like that. You just play variations of it. Now we're gonna go to the next lick he played. Right there. Dun, 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 dun. Right there, okay? So, fa, so. So, re, fa, re, mi, do, mi, so, re, la, ti, re, re. 5, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 7, 2. Okay. So if you don't get it, rewind the video and play it again. So, fa, so, fa, so, fa, so. That's why he played, okay? So let's play the whole song. Let's play the whole song.